All right, rooftop tent. I just grabbed the last tools and material out of the truck. On my Jeep truck, probably a sin. Anyway, looked at some designs online. There's a lot of good YouTube videos out there. Do-it-yourself stuff on building custom rooftop tent hoists. We're gonna do that today here, and we're connecting it to the shed. So I dragged the GoPro out. It's getting dark, so let's hurry this up. So to start the project, I thought of it this way. A lot of projects going on here. And then I'm bringing a 4x4 inside the shed, connecting it to one of the studs. Okay, I'm redoing the shed. So we got this going on here, and it's bolted on this side and jammed a couple of screws at the bottom and the top. So we'll go back outside. And coming outside, I got some brackets here. Essentially, this is mirroring the other 4x4 on the outside. So eventually I'll end up doing a poured concrete base to this thing, just to make sure, you know, it's got enough stability. So let's see what the next steps are here. Alright, so the idea is to do this back to back, keeping this solid. I got 5.5-inch screws to come in here, 1/2 inch by 5.5 marine bolts. We'll put that together, level it out. We'll just do a straight beam going across there, cross brace, and a bracket up there just for some extra support. And we'll take it from there. Do that right there. Ooh. Okay, so I don't know how good the camera angles have been, but there's that bracket I put up there. Here we go, the cross brace here. Not the best work I've done, but they're in there, so you get the point. Science says that should work. I know that the rooftop tent is 4 feet, the longest way going with the Jeep, so I should have enough room to pull in to the back here, back in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach a winch right here, but just so you can kind of see what we got going on. Bolts, bolts, bolts going up. Okay. Ew. So there you have it. It works. Pretty excited. Jeep's nice and light now. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it helps. If you got any ideas, leave comments below. Like and subscribe.